Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on limits on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, at the top right corner of your screen, click the three horizontal lines and then select Settings and Privacy. In this page, use the search bar to search for limits. Just click this limited interactions and then click continue. And once you're in, just click the button that says turn on. So you can set up who to limit, such as accounts that aren't following you or your recent followers. And you can also choose how long to limit. So by default, it's set to 1 week, but you can change it from 1 day up to 4 weeks. And that's how you can easily turn on your limits on Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!